what's good? T here and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi Han and welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, hi Han and welcome back. And thank you so much for stopping back by. Okay, so today, as Senbonile by the title of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I get my eyebrows done and how I install my lashes. I think this tutorial will be beginner friendly because I'm also a beginner, so be same space. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so for eyebrows, you are going to need an eyebrow pencil, a sharp eyebrow pencil. Ngayithenga a excuse me, ngayithenga a China store. And then you can also use this one, le roller phayo kanje. Kuya ngawe ukuthi which one you prefer. You're going to need a concealer that is a 2 shades or 3 shades lighter than you, or a shade lighter than you, depends on how good ufuna yiphi. So I have this one. It's a pale though. I also got it a China store. And then you're going to need a blending brush. So a blending brush, and a fluffy blending brush. And then you're going to need a concealer brush, a straight like so. And then you are going to need a spoolie and a foundation or a concealer that ihambisana with your skin, or that is your skin color. And then you are for me, it's either you can use to lay your eyebrows down, you can use it got to be glue or whatever glue that you eyebrow, not whatever, but it glue lay so yeah got to be. There's the other one, a yellow, or soap. Mina, I use soap. So let's get into that. Okay, so ngizoqala ngifuthe setting spray like so. Khona ngizomanzisa insipho. Oopsies. Wee. Ngizomanzisa insipho like so. And then brush my eyebrows up like so. And I'm going to use my fingers to press down insipho for it to stick. Ihlale. Lesi step sisenza because we don't want our eyebrow hairs to be moving all day, yeah? So that's why senza lesi step, siyawalalisa down, especially nje mangidwebile ishiya ngathi nginganesipuli ekhukhwini khona ngizohlale ngihlale ngilungise, which is not ideal though, but okay, yeah, it's not nice. Okay, then I do my eyebrows the traditional way: outline, fill in, and then conceal. I don't start by filling in and outlining. So yeah, let's get into it. Ngiwadwebile like so, sorry, mase ngiwadwebile like so, and then sengizodweba the top. So more outliner, you are following i-shape ye natural brow yakho lo nayo, ufollowishe nje i-shape yeshiya lakho, kodwa ube at the same time creating a shape for a perfect brow. Angazi if that makes sense, but yeah. And then now mase ngi-outliner my top, I'm not going to start here. Ngizostart nje la a little bit further from the beginning of my brow, so that kuzoba naleya natural look nyana. and then you fill them in. And then like at the beginning, I'm going to do ama strokes, little strokes like so, amancane, yabo. And while filling in, you don't want them to be too dark. Abemnyama. And for pencil, you use brown pencil. Ayelimnyama. And then you're going to take your spoolie again and brush them through. Fill in spaces where I feel like I think ukugcwaliswa. And then now we are going to conceal. Okay, so for concealing, what I like to do is, okay, so sengikuchile up concealer yami. Okay, so mase concealer, what I like to do is I like to conceal the end first with a concealer le lighter nami, and then like in the beginning, ngenzansi, I'm going to use my foundation, and also on the top, I'm going to be concealing using my foundation. So yeah. Like so, and then also like the parts on the other brow then. And then for concealing parts lela ngaphambili, I'm going to be using my Essence foundation Stay All Day 16-hour wear. It's in a color 45 soft hazelnut. Ngayithenge Glixi with only 100 rands. So it is a little bit darker than me kancane nje. So I'm going to mix it with a foundation because ngifuna i-definition kancane. So I'm going to mix it with the foundation just a little bit, and then I'm going to conceal the beginning of my brow. Then the other one. Yeah. Mase ngiqedile concealer, I'm going to take my brush and then tap 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 on the concealer in a way of blending it with my skin. Ngisondeza kancane kuma-eyelids. See, ama-brows akho aba-defined but also at the same time awuzitholi usumhlophe, yabona? And then I'm going to take my foundation and conceal the top. I'm going to be using this foundation without mixing it to the concealer as I did ekuqaleni, so yeah. And then you are going to take your blending brush once again and blend the top. Let me just take off this hat, man. And then for ukuthi sisuse like ama-hash lines, like so, we're going to need i-beauty blender yakho. Uqala uyifuthe ngamanzi kuqala or a setting spray, it depends on you, but you just need it damp, like so. And then you're going to blend. So hlanganisa konke nesiphongo. I'm doing this step because I'm not going to be wearing any foundation today, yabo. So that's why it's like so. But if you're going to do foundation, you're going to apply foundation on your face, you can just simply skip this step and apply foundation and then blend it together with like the concealer. I'm gonna brush my brows again. And this is how they look. This is how I look. Yeah. Okay, so the next step now is applying or installing lashes. Installing lashes, not applying them. Okay, so you're going to need your lashes. Vele vele. So nankawami. I think sengwagqoke like 2 or 3 if I'm not mistaken. But this is how they look. Ngawathenga e-Focus. This is how we look now. Focus. And to install them, I use this glue. I know yeah, inwele, but hold the other glue moyo ngcwele. Hold like glue Jehovah. The glue is the girl. And I would recommend it to anyone. Because angikaze ngasebenzise lawa ko-clicks and besides angikwazi nokuthi abiza malini, angikaze ngibuke that way because since ngiqale uku-install ama-lashes I've been introduced to le glue and angiyiboneni iglue engcono engadlula. Okay, so nathi glue yami, and then with this uzothatha iglue yakho and apply it kwibhande like so, and apply it kanje kwibhande ebhandeni lakho. Make sure ukuthi igcwala kakhulu la naphakathi nendawo because there is where i-hold ikhona, but I suggest ukuthi nje ugcwalise yonke indawo evenly, u-apply evenly, hayi kakhulu ingataklaki, but nje just evenly like so. And then uzophephetha because you can't just apply it imanzi kanje. Uzophephetha and wait for it ukuthi i-dry. And wait for it ukuthi i-dry. Or for this one, uma usuyibona ukuthi isi-semi black or injani nje i-grayish uma uyi-applya, but uma isizokoma engazi ukuthi ifuna ukuba mnyama kanje yabo. So that's when you know ukuthi-ke we're good to go. And then I-position yesibuko sakho iba nje la below your chin, right? Uyithi kanje because ufuna ukubona leya ndawo le. When you install lashes, you install them on top of your natural lashes, ne? Awu-install-i la enyameni la phezulu, but ubeka nje lapha kwawo. Ubeka lapha kwawo ama-lashes. Abanye they start with i-mascara. I don't start with i-mascara. I just brush them up like so using my pinky finger. And then sengiyabeka-ke. I-position yesibuko sakho iba like so. Khona uzobuka kanje phansi, right? And then you start by placing them like so. Ufake ngemumva. Ebese ufaka ingaphambili. Prepare for it to dry. Kancane. Go back. Fix whatever mistake that you did. And voila. You have your lash. And then let's move on to the next one. Excuse me. Apply again. Evenly. And then when you're satisfied, not when you're satisfied, ufake nje kahle, ungapixi, ungafaki futhi iglue encane, but nje ufake kahle. Iglue ezoholda throughout the day. And then uyapipetha, or you just wait for it to dry. It's up to you. But you wait or you pipette. And then mase bona ukuthi semi black, you apply sibuko on your position below your chin, uzobona la ndawo, and then you place. And then voila, you have your lashes. You have your lashes. This is how you should look. Ama-lashes akho mase installeke kahle. If you feel like iglue khona la ekunembe khona, kumele uyisule, so that because iba mnyama, right? Kumele uyisule ukuze kungabi ubunuku emehlweni entombazane, kungabi ubunuku. And yeah, this is how I install my lashes, and this is how I draw my eyebrows. Next time I will show how I get my face done and stuff. But yeah, this is how my lashes look, and this is how my eyebrows look. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope the tutorial was helpful. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share this video if you can, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you on the next video. It's Sunday, and be your own kind of beautiful. Bye.